Hey, Zeke! Little Oscar here wants a story.
A real scary story? All right then. An old cowpoke went riding out one dark and windy day.
Upon a ridge he rested as he went along his way.
When all at once somebody heard a red-eyed cowsy song. Plowing through the ragged side and up a valley wrong. Yippee-yi-yay, yippee-yi-yo. Those riders in the sky.
Their brands were still on fire. Their hooves were made of steel.
Their horns were black and shiny, and their hot breath he could feel.
A bolt of fear went through them as they thundered through the sky.
For saw the riders coming hard. They heard their voices